how's the experience with a 2-year-old, very energetic toddler.
Tsaka nung may...
Hi Mamshis! Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our vlog. So for today's vlog, this is a very special episode because the Ketwa fam is going to Europe! So, ang itinerary natin is pupunta tayo ng Budapest, Hungary. Doon tayo mag-entry. Tapos, tatawid tayo ng Vienna, Austria. And ang last leg natin is sa Prague, Czech Republic. Yun. So, right now, it's 5:30 in the afternoon. Ang flight natin is 9:30. So, we're just waiting for our taxi going to the airport. And yun. So, as usual, sama kayo sa amin. Max! Hi!
I would like to inform you that we will be so ready for the departure, just waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening from the flight executive center.
Ready to go!
Good morning, Mamshis! Welcome to Budapest, Hungary! So, this is our Airbnb na book dito. So, maliit lang siya. Enough lang to, I think, for 4 people. At saka baby. Nagpa-provide sila ng crib. So, bigyan ko kayo ng short tour. So, ito yung door nila. Yan siya. Then, sa amin yung water. Yan, may mga provided lang sila ng mga plancha, anong tawag dito? Hair dryer, tapos microwave. Kompleto sila sa appliances. Actually, meron pa nga silang washing machine tsaka dryer. Tapos, ayun, si Daddy nagluluto ng breakfast.
Yoink!
Bumili lang siya sa baba ng bacon tsaka bread. So, ating baby boy, hello! Yan, huwag nyo nang pansinin na aming kalat. Hindi pa kami nag-aayos. And ito, itong couch, nagiging kama din siya. Folding bed siya. So, pwede rin dito 2 tao. Tapos ito ang kanilang CR. Yan. May ano lang, medyo maingay na exhaust. Hindi ko na masyadong papakita. Yan ang aming portable bidet. Yan ang magsasalba sa atin sa buong Eurotrip. Kasi hindi uso ang bidet dito. Yan. Okay. Hi. May TV din sila. And ito yung view natin sa labas. Napakatahimik na neighborhood. Parang kami lang yung maingay. So, ito yung bedroom. Yung kalat. Yan, meron silang crib. And ito yung bed. Siyempre, makalat na kasi natulugan na natin, diba? Yan. So, that's it. Kain na kami ng breakfast and magre-ready na rin tayo. Okay, so we are here at Budapest History Museum. So this is our first stop for today. Ang ticket price is around 3,800 HUF or mga 41 dirhams each person. So, etong area na nakikita nyo, ito yung mga tombstones nila noong araw. So, right now, nagdadub na lang ako ng voice dito sa video kasi while we were inside the museum, it was very quiet. So we will just show you some of the clips that we were able to capture while we were inside the museum. So as if nag-virtual tour na lang din kayo with us. So may mga parts din sa loob ng museum na it's interactive and may activities din for the guests. So ito, you can try using the bow and arrow para matest nyo yung archery skills nyo as if you were in the ancient times, no? Nagha-hunt kayo. Okay, so now naman, we are going to visit the medieval chapel. So, nauna nang nakita ni Daddy yun. Nauna siyang bumaba kasi Wax was taking his nap. So, nakatulog siya while we were going around the museum. So, now it's my turn naman to visit the area. So, samahan niyo ulit ako for this virtual tour. Yan. So, meron silang map dito sa gilid na pwede niyong sundan. So, you are here and bababa tayo doon. So, na-visit na natin yung upper floors. Now, we are going to the medieval chapel. So, ito yung mga areas na madadaanan natin papunta doon. After natin sa museum, we are going to roam around the castle complex. So as you can see, it was so crowded kasi nataon naman na it was the wine festival when we visited. Originally, we were planning to spend the rest of the day here sa Castle Complex kasi sobrang lawak niya and may iba't ibang mga gardens siya na pwede nyong tambayan or pwede nyong i-visit. But since it's the wine festival, sobrang daming tao and sobrang daming mga pop-ups na mga bar na nakalagay doon and ang daming tao talaga and they were all drinking wine. Pagbigyan nyo na ang tita nyo. Welcome to Budapest! Yan. Actually guys, na-timingan natin ngayon na puno itong castle grounds. So usually open lang itong castle grounds na pwede kang tumakbo-takbo dyan. Pero right now, meron silang wine festival. So yan, bumabaha ng alak dito guys. Yan. Yan o, kaliwat kanan. Yan, may mga hawak silang mga wine glass, ganyan. O, diba? Galing. Dito pala tayo galing kanina sa kanilang History Museum. Yan. So ngayon, lakad-lakad lang tayo dito sa Castle Grounds. Wow! At hindi ko na alam kung nasan si Daddy at si Wax. Ano, daming tao. Saya. Hi, Waxy! Wow! Ito parang may park dito pababa. Ay, sarado. Alam ko may bayad sa taas eh. Saan tayo, Daddy? Okay. What place is this? Daddy, how is your first few hours in Budapest, Hungary? How was the experience? With a 2-year-old, very energetic toddler.
So now my cut this shit. Kapistrip.
Ayun na.
Masaya.
Dito of Dubai, nasa Budapest ka. Represent.
Okay naman, nakapagod lang, pero kaya naman. Maganda. Okay naman weather. All goods.
Relatively parang safe.
Mahirap lang yung daan. Hindi lang siya built for stroller.
Ano yung tawag niya? Nakapag-video ka na? Can you say hello? Say hello to the camera. Tapos na kami sa Fisherman's Bastion. Ngayon naman. Ano yung pupuntahan natin? Hindi na alam. Hi, Ma'am She's. Welcome back. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa West End Mall. I think yun yung tawag. Actually, katapat lang siya nung Airbnb namin, which is good. So, dito na kami magdi-dinner nila, Daddy. Nandito na lang kami sa food court na hanap ng pagkain. Kasi nagkikrave ako ng kanin. So, umorder ako ng Thai food, ng fried rice, saka ng chicken. So, si Daddy naghahanap lang siya gusto daw niya ng pork. So, eto si Wax. And pinanood ko muna siya sa tablet for now para behave siya. Para mamaya-maya nasa mood na rin siyang kumain. So, yun. Ito yung in-order ko. Ay, kita ba? Yan, it's fried rice and chicken mushroom. Nasobrahan pa nga ng order ng rice, pero it's okay. Breakfast na lang natin siya bukas. So, yan. Wait lang natin si Daddy and we'll just enjoy our dinner.